Got him. Oh, Jamaican shore fishing. Snooky. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. This is what a mudfish look like in Jamaica, guys. But that's what a mudfish looks like. All right. Look at this snook. Wow. How just... Yo, big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Bless up yourself. Me and Brian's here this morning. We were supposed to go in the ocean, but nature had a different plan for us. Nature was like, Brian, Jerry, this ain't your day today, and you guys gonna do plan B, which we always have a plan B. We never, we plan on catching fish. That is the plan, but plan B is like switch up, and we're gonna hit this lovely river up and see what kind of snooks we can pick up out of here. So stay tuned.
I had a dream about fish last night. Water says something different because I don't know what it's going.
Yo, guys, listen to me.
Big up all our ourselves.
Yeah, man, we out here, guys, and I'm gonna try to pick something up. I know something is in here, and we normally would pick up something. I'm gonna jump my chartreuse lure on, see if I can make some noise and get some snooks out and hook onto something, because the snooks passed through here early in the morning, and this water is clear. The river is sealed, so they're trapped inside.
Yeah, the river calm.
And the river calm. So versus the ocean versus the river today, river is winning. So let's see what we can pick up this morning. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. So like I said, guys, just trying out a little thing this morning. Yeah, guys, so Brian's down here, and I'm gonna go a little bit further up, cast on this side, seeing what we can pick up. Ooh, snook grabbed it and missed. Snook grabbed it and missed, guys. Snook grabbed it and missed. I seen when he grabbed it. I landed right on top of him, guys, and he grabbed it a while ago. They're in here, guys. Like I said, I have a small lure, Rapala original, and oh damn, onto the edge of this, and gotta be careful, extremely careful, guys. They're hitting it, but they're not hitting it good, guys. I got 2 hits already so far from snooks. Some smaller snooks still. Not really big snooks, but got hooked on some trees right there. Not good. But we're gonna go up top. Oh, go on, boss. Cool, man. Hey, you guys, I'm gonna go up top a little bit right here. Yeah, right here is a prominent spot for snooks. So I always hook up some snooks. Alright, bro. 2 of them grab the line, look while I let go, you know? Yeah, I'll let go. 2 nice one, but may I walk around? Yeah, man. Go on forward, man. We're there. Yeah, I'm gonna go down through here, guys. I gotta secure my rod. Secure my hook and go down through this. here without sliding off and hurting myself. Trying not to. Yeah, it's definitely better cast for me. Ooh, I just seen something big move right there. Oh shit. Oh, didn't want that happening. Ooh, ooh. Had a snook on a while ago and he let go. Didn't set the hook good. Ooh. A little snook grabbing after it. He's chasing it, boy. Alright, let's go out here. Leader line is a little bit long. Should have shortened it, but that's alright. Fish on. Snook. Haha. Got him. Ho Jamaican shore fishing. Snooky. This snook. Let me get him out of here, guys. It's a little snook. We're gonna throw him back though. Let's get him. Let's get him. There you go. He's gone anyways. Snook, guys. He's kind of small. Let him go. Don't do that. I got a snook, Brian. I just let him go. They're here. Go with a smaller lure. Slow down a little bit. Don't go so fast. Oh shit. Huh? Oh, they're here, bro. There's a hole. I got hooked up 3 times. Look, there they go right there. Watch this. Ooh, he hit it, miss. You seen that, Ryan? Oh man, I just got hit and missed. I just got hit again. I've been getting hit. I got hit like 3-4 times already, Brian. And I'm doing some short casts. They're here, bro. They're definitely here. A whole heap. Like, you see, like towards that bush, right between the bamboo right there, and over here, right here where you just see me drop. Look at this. I try not to roll it so fast. Take your time, yeah. You'll definitely get a hit there, Brian. Try between the bamboo right there, bro. I haven't even tried there yet. Let me see if I can get there. Yep, perfect. Look at this. Lord, he just hit it. You seen it? Look, you just seen, Brian. There's jacks and there's snooks, yeah. But there's snooks and there's jacks in here, bro. Work that tree, yeah, or take. It's not giving that motion. Yeah, this is a twitch bait. I just caught a snook and let him go. You just hit it? Yeah, I'm telling you, over there to that bush, man. Ah, yeah. Perfect. Seen you, mofo. I can't wait to get my new reel next week. We'll walk across here real quick, guys, and see if I can get over this side without hurting myself. These sliders are slippery when they're ready, and they will hurt you. So, trying to get a little bit further over here where I'm normally used to casting at, and a little corner over there. Oh shit! Oh no! Alright, we're gonna go up top. Yeah, I'm gonna head up. I'm gonna head around to the other side of the river without hurting my feet here. I don't have all my water shoes, guys, and that sucks. So I have to climb out of these bushes in wet sliders. That's not good. Ooh, that's not good at all. Oh shit. See that, guys? That's what I'm talking about, wet sliders. We'll walk up here. Yeah. So we're gonna walk up this side and see what we can pick up here, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads for more epic lure fishing. We do it all the time, guys. This is what we do regular. We do this all day, every day. And ooh, that's not good. So what I'm doing is using this Rapala original and running it through these shallows to see what I can pick up. And most likely we'll pick up mudfish, snooks. All kind of species, guys. Go down here. Nature is so beautiful. Just to be outside, guys. Feeling free. Set you free. That's what's up. Oh shit. We had a snook there or something hanging out. Let's get that lure in here. Yeah, guys, so just trying out these spots, see what we, huh? Nasa. Yo, me lose my first arrow, yeah, so I have to go for it, you know. Look on the size of mudfish we get up, look a while. Got him. Mudfish. Brian. Mudfish. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. This is what a mudfish look like in Jamaica, guys. They get pretty big, but they eat pretty good. I don't know if you guys have had mudfish before, but they're all right fish. We're gonna put this one back though. It's kind of small, and let's get him back. Hooked him up on this Rapala, guys. Check it out. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Brian, 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 where you at, bro? All right, let's get this by you. Where the hell he go? All right. Yeah, boy, Mr. Mudfish. Say, aw. Have to get it out your mouth, dude. I don't want to crush your top jaw, but I want to hold your bottom one so I can get that hook out. That's all the way down in your throat, Mr. Mudfish. You got gill hooked fudge bucket. Damn it. Gotta get that damn hook out of your mouth now. Do surgery to get this shit out. You suck. Trying to save your life here, buddy. So at least go back in the water. Gotcha. Alright, guys. Got yourself a nice mudfish, guys. I don't know if you guys ever seen these before, but that's what a mudfish looks like. It's alright. Let's let him go. Yeah, he's gone. So that's two species on this lure so far, guys. Mudfish and a snook. I didn't get a chance to hold a snook, but like I said, he's caught. He's hit. Alright, guys, so Brian went up the line. I don't know what he went up the line for. And we're gonna go down the line. So let's see what's up. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing, and thank you guys for all the support. Appreciate you guys. That's what keeps me going, guys. Getting out here for you guys to put more content in and picking up some awesome fish, doing some awesome fishing. This is what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, guys. Today must be a catch and release day. Morning, how you doing? Morning, morning. All right. Yeah, I caught a snook and a mudfish, and I let him go though. They was like small, so I'm gonna keep the babies, you know. Now I gotta find out where my partner went. He probably went upriver. Brian, look at this snook. Wow. I'll just turn the camera off for a second, guys, and look. Picked up a nice snook. Check it out. Whoop, 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 whoop. Look at that, guys. Size reference. Alright. I just put one back. See, I'll hold on to this one in case somebody wants it. I know one of these kids will pass here soon, and that'll probably want to fish. Go ahead, drop on the ground. Fudge bucket. Right? I was like, this is a nice spot. As soon as I cast, he hooked onto it, guys. As soon as I cast into this open spot. And all them trees, I was kind of nervous about the trees for a second, guys. Because I was like, damn, all these trees. I was just calling to Brian a while ago. Like, where you at? All right, let's hook him onto here real quick, because he can't go nowhere from here. And see if we can hook up to something else. All these empty spots. All right? All right. Let's drop again over there. Ooh, a whole school of them, guys. There's a whole school of them down there. Woohoo! I see you. A whole bunch of snooks down there, guys. I could see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them between the branches right here, guys. A couple of them well down there, guys. Brian! What I gotta do is break the slim off so I don't get hitched up and don't fall in here either. Put on my rod real quick. Cast it. Yeah. That's what I need. I need that casting room. Yeah. This is good casting space. Eh? Done there, sir? Yeah, about 6 of them there, sir. So one there, sir. See him there? Yeah, I just me kill him, man. Cool, man.
After them time in here, man, I say you set nothing and fuck them up in there, man.
Yeah, man, I say 6 of them there right here, so right now, one of them just pick up like a while. I'm gonna pick you up on this. Look, I'm gonna catch you, man. A little bit. Elephant love peanuts, they say. But we not buck up in none. Oh shit. You see them, right? All right. And I.
Some of the time, Mr. John dive, I left Westmoreland and come and call the man, them got one night like a part. All day the man and dive and I want to hold for them. From Ross Road, pick the man and take out them. What?
6 of them is here, right? So one up on the line, so one else I'm just pick up, look well. Right, see, you grab it, look well. You grab it, I miss it, no? Don't do that to me. Ah, see that. You grab it, look well, I miss your fart. Alright, see there? This one they drop at the bottom there now.
No, got a swim bait.
Yeah, that's what I caught them on, was a swim bait. Go on, cast, sir. Get that cast in.
Cast, man. Put up cast in, yes.
Bro, you're too scared, dogs.
I'm
Come
not
on.
scared, but you go cast in there and throw your shit in that tree.
It happens.
No, I don't want it. That's fine.
That's part of fishing, bro.
Yeah. Part of fishing is also catching fish.
I've caught 3 fish so far.
I'm not catch none.
All right, then you need to cast. So how you expect to catch fish if you not cast? Don't cast so heavy. Just take your time. Just run it back. There's snooks in here. There's a couple of snooks in here, bro.
Yeah, some little sitting at chase.
See, you're pulling out. You're doing that. You're rushing the thing, bro.
Chase.
They're hitting, bro.
Smart.
Those are the jacks you're looking at. The snooks are right there. I'm looking straight at them. They're like 6 of them sitting right there. Right beside that, look, between this stump and right there. Right down that little cut there, so them there. I'm just changing on, putting on my high vis, because I see them, that's why. See, I want bigger one now, Miguel, so. So I'm gonna drop the chartreuse in there. So I'm gonna take it out quick and just lift up and wind up same time. So that way when it's a swing, you know, catch a tree them. You see me? Come here, sir. Come good on, sir. Tough as hell. Look at them. Snook. I caught a mudfish, I put him back. I caught another snook, I put him back. And then this one now, this is as big as these get. Common snook. I caught the mudfish over here. I seen him chasing the lure, you know. I was like, you son of a gun, you. Right here. Alright guys, fishing is done for the day. Brian's out by the car. Stopped in here at Megamart. Grabbed me some coffee. Stay tuned for that. Grab myself my favorite coffee. I stop in here all the time. So on my way back to the house. Can't go back to the house without coffee, guys, but pick up yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, as we tuned into the next epic adventure that we're about to do. So, this is it. We'll get our Blue Mountain coffee. This is one of my favorite ones. I think this is the big one. Yep. This is it. Roaster's Choice. Got it. So, got our coffee. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Just make sure you smash that thumbs up the video, guys. Alright, so stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.